and not to happen kulengane sakhona nayithi because isibuhlungu kakhulu. I don't wanna lie. Phakathi sakwatile hence on strike. So asikho hepha sikajabulanga, so we're just waiting ukungena njengaphakathi basazise ukuthi kwenzakalani because sesijikajikisele for 4 times. So yeah, whatever that is happening, I guess we have to deal with it ngaphakathi with information. Ngithanda ukuthi kube nobulungiswa kule case. Umntwana kufanele umfana orayipile kufanele alungise sithole ukulungiswa thina agwetshwe iminyaka. So siyacela nje ukuthi ikhotho ngathi ingenza lokho esikufunayo.
Asibongeni ne even the stakeholder esisebenza ngale case esikhona between us abasuka eNkangala, abasuka eDark City, abasuka eZithobeni, siyabonga isupport yenu ne sibonga ngokugcwele. So ningalahli nangobuso ngoba lana into esibonayo la kunento edlalwayo. Yeah, so kunento edlalwayo. So I think ukuthi umlisa bam-advisile ukuthi athi akasafuni ibail. And ukungasafuni ibail kwakhe kusho something ukuthi thina size siphela amandla ngoba last time badelayile illegal aid yathi abekho ready. Namhlanje beyiphinda the same thing ukuthi abekho ready, and I wish leyo nto leyo ikale yathi ukusiphazamisa. Kodwa ke uMagistrate wathi namhlanje kufuna kukhulunywe if a-applyele ibail maka applyele ibail. So ke indoda ithi ibail ayisayifuni. So ke kusho ukuthi nge-26 June siyabuya futhi. Kusho ukuthi nge-26 kula kuyoqalwa khona kuthethwe iqala, and ke kuthiwa kusayokwenza investigation. Asiyazi investigation eyokwenziwa ukuthi ngeyani. Yes, ngoba already mangicabanga kahle investigation amaphoyisa ayenzile.